Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. Here's your free video for Tuesday, August 19th. So looking at the markets, man, in the NASDAQ, we are down over 1%. Haven't seen that in a while. The market was trying to hold support at the previous all-time high right there. That little pullback, I thought maybe we would bounce and rebound, keep going higher. Instead, we broke it, and when we broke it today, we fell very quickly. So again, we're down about 1.2%. Here it is about lunch. I think if it keeps falling, you might find some general support right around 562, 560, this area, right here where we were consolidating before we broke to the upside. So yeah, I think that's more. It's more 563. So just general area could keep up some of that momentum. 560 is a natural support level. So right in this area, right now we're at 570. So that's potentially an additional, 5 to 8 points to the downside in the QQQs. Okay, thanks a lot.